Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay, so firstly let's create a new composition. For that let's click here and write our composition background and click OK from there. Now let's open the icon layers and let's select them and import to our composition. Okay, and let's move them to the up, one to here. And this one to the down, and this one. Let's keep them like this. And now let's go to shape tool. For that you can press Q, and let's make a shape line like this which covers here. Nice. Now go to align and let's move it to the center. And let's select the shape layer, let's move it to the down, and select the shape layer and let's change the color to light red like this. And click OK. Now select the shape layer and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and let's move it to the up. Let's move it to here. And let's select shape layer 1 again and let's duplicate it again and let's move it to the down. Okay, nice. Now let's select the icons and let's keep this one on here and select this light and move to here. And this one, let's change the scale of this one a little bit and move to here. Let's duplicate this layer and move it to the down to here. And then select this one, let's duplicate it and move it to the up. Let's select this coin and move to the down a little bit more. And select the light, let's duplicate it and move it to the up. Now we can start to give animation to it. For that let's select this coin and let's press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change the rotation like this and go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down, and let's change the rotation to 30 and go to 10 keyframe again. Let's copy the first keyframe, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Select the keyframes, make them easy and hold Alt. Let's click to here to make an expression and click here, go to property and click to loop out. Let's see. Okay, select the keyframes, let's hold out and move to the right. Let's see now. Okay, this one is better. Now select these keyframes, let's copy them and select this layer and let's zoom a little bit. Let's move the anchor point to here. And let's paste for it. Let's see. Okay, and also select this one. Let's go to here and press Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Now let's select this middle keyframe, press Ctrl C and go to here. Let's select this layer, press Ctrl V. And also go to here, press Ctrl V. And select the first keyframe of this rotation. Go to the middle and press Ctrl V. And hold up, let's click to here to enable the expression. And go to here, click to property and click to loop out. Now select these keyframes, let's paste for other layers. Before we're gonna do, let's select this layer and move the anchor point to here. And now we can start to pasting. Let's close them now. Now let's select these layers and right mouse, click to pre-compose. And let's rename it to main and click OK. Now press Ctrl D and let's move them to the right. And let's do it one more time. Let's select them and press Ctrl D. Now let's copy them and press Ctrl D again and let's move them to the left. Okay, let's select the last one and let's duplicate it again. Nice. Lastly, let's select them and recompose them again. Now let's rename it to 1. And let's select these layers and enable 3D. And select this one and let's link it to each other. Select this shape layer 1, press R. Let's change the rotation like this. and press S. Let's change the scale a little bit. Let's see. Let's change the rotation a little bit more, like this. And like that. And move to here. And then select the shape layer, press S. Let's change the scale a little bit. And let's move it to here, like this. And also let's select the shape layer, press P, make position keyframe. Let's zoom a little bit. And let's move it to here. And to down a little bit. And let's go to the end. Let's move it like this. And to down. Let's make it like this. Nice. Let's check it. Okay, cool. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.